The Indian Navy had projected a requirement for a naval variant of AMCA 5th generation fighter jet, and as per latest reports, the feasibility report submitted by the Aeronautical Development Agency has been accepted by the Naval Headquarters. The Indian Navy wants the Naval AMCA to be a parallel program, and wants the Aeronautical Development Agency to start the development of prototypes as soon as possible. The Indian Navy has also approached the Aeronautical Development Agency to carry out a feasibility report on the development of carrier-based unmanned stealth combat aerial vehicle, which can work along with the AMCA fighter jet over contested airspace. The Indian Navy will also procure the naval Tejas Mark II, if it is able to deliver the performance set by the Aeronautical Development Agency. The Indian Defence Minister met with the US Defence Secretary, and a range of issues of strategic importance were discussed, including new ways to bolster bilateral defence and security cooperation. Officials have said that all the three Indian armed services are collating their requirement for unmanned aerial vehicles, and since some of the capability requirements of the three services would be different from each other, this process could take few months, and a letter of request is expected to be issued to the US government for the $4.5 billion deal by February 2020. The project for the acquisition of 10 P-8 anti-submarine aircraft worth $3 billion and NASAMS air defense system worth $1 billion was also discussed in the meeting. DRDO Chief Dr. Satish Reddy has said that the AMCA prototype can fly within 5 years of approval, and the DRDO will offer technologies to private sector for early realization of products, as the private industry is vital for self-reliance in the defense sector. He also said that the medium-weight fighter configuration is frozen, and the qualitative requirements are also finalized. He also informed that the user trials of Nag ATGM have been successfully conducted, while the development test of the Helina is under progress, and work on the man-portable anti-tank guided system is ongoing. The chief executive of Russian helicopters Andrei Boginsky has said that India is delaying the signing of the agreement for purchasing 140 kamov helicopters despite providing all information. He also added that it would benefit India if the planned order for over 100 naval utility helicopters for the Indian Navy could be combined with the 140 light utility helicopters of the Indian Army.